Ever struggled to make the perfect smoothie at home? Stick around, because I'm revealing the top 7 personal blenders that turn fresh fruits into creamy, delicious blends in seconds. Welcome back to the channel. Grab your favorite from the links below and start blending your way to healthy happiness. At number 7 is Ninja Blendboss. Did you know most personal blenders can't handle ice without turning into a noisy, messy disaster? Enter the Ninja Blendboss. This compact powerhouse is a game changer for anyone hunting for a truly reliable smoothie maker. Tested for real-world comfort, it crushes ice to snow effortlessly with its 1,200-watt motor and versatile crush blade, giving velvety smoothies every single time. Unlike other blenders in our top 7 picks, the Blendboss includes a leak-proof flip cap and easy sip straw lid, perfect for tossing in your bag without worry. Its cup-holder-friendly design and compact base make it ideal for gym-goers or commuters craving freshness on the go. Sure, it's a bit louder than smaller models, but the convenience, durability, and effortless cleaning more than make up for it. If you value power, portability, and peace of mind, this is a smart buy. Would you take your smoothies to the next level with it? On number 6 is Turelar Blender for Shakes. Ever tried making a smoothie only to end up with chunks and spills? The Turelar Blender for Shakes might just solve that frustration. Tested for real-world comfort, this sleek single-serve blender delivers surprisingly smooth results with its high-speed motor and durable crush blade design. Compared to other blenders in our top 7 roundup, it's compact yet powerful, fitting perfectly in cup holders or on crowded countertops. The leak-proof flip cap and easy sip straw lid make it travel-friendly, no more worrying about messy bags or gym spills. It's effortless to clean, and BPA-free parts give you that extra peace of mind. Sure, it may not have all the preset programs of larger models, but the simplicity is part of its charm. If you want quick, reliable shakes without hassle, Turelar is a smart choice. Would this be? At number 5 is ICUCINA Smoothie Blender. Did you know most personal blenders struggle with frozen fruits or ice? The ICUCINA Smoothie Blender crushes that problem effortlessly. Tested for real-world comfort, its 1,000-watt motor spins at 25,000 revolutions per minute, giving you perfectly smooth shakes and refreshing smoothies in seconds. Compared to other contenders in our top 7 picks, ICUCINA stands out for portability. With two 37-ounce BPA-free cups, you can prep drinks for yourself or a friend, whether at the gym, office, or on a weekend hike. Cleanup is just as stress-free. Dishwasher-safe parts, a spatula, and straw brush make maintenance effortless. Its compact design fits anywhere, yet it delivers power rivaling much larger models. Sure, it doesn't have as many auto programs as some competitors, but its simplicity is part of the charm. If convenience, durability, and reliability matter to you, this blender is a smart choice. Would this make your daily shake routine easier? At number 4 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Ever wonder why so many personal blenders leave chunks in your smoothies? The NutriBullet Personal Blender tackles that problem head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its 600-watt motor effortlessly transforms fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens into smooth, nutrient-packed drinks in seconds. Compared to other blenders in our top 7 list, NutriBullet shines for simplicity. Its push and twist design means anyone can master it instantly, no complicated programs needed. Cleanup is just as painless. Twist off the blades, rinse, or pop the cup in the dishwasher for total convenience. Sure, it's not as powerful as the Ninja Blendboss or ICUCINA for ice-heavy drinks, but for daily shakes and on-the-go nutrition, it's a smart, reliable choice. Compact, durable, and easy to use, NutriBullet delivers peace of mind with every sip. Would this make your morning smoothie routine stress-free? On number 3 is Consciot 11-piece blender. Ever struggled with a blender that can't crush frozen fruits or ice evenly? The Consciot 11-piece blender solves that headache with its 900-watt high-horsepower motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Tested for real-world comfort, its asymmetric blade and unique turbulent structure ensure every ingredient is pulled to the center, giving silky smooth shakes every time. Compared to other top 7 contenders, Consciot impresses with thoughtful safety features, overheat protection, micro switches, non-slip feet, and leak resistance. Cleanup is effortless. Dishwasher-safe cups and self-cleaning functions save time, perfect for busy mornings or post-workout routines. While slightly bulkier than compact models like NutriBullet, it balances power, versatility, and durability. If you crave consistent smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks without worry, this blender is a smart, stress-free choice. Would this be your new kitchen hero? At number 2 is TOMUOO Shake Maker. Ever been frustrated by blenders that stop halfway through your smoothie? The TOMUOO Shake Maker solves that with its 6 ultra-sharp blades and high-speed 22,000 revolutions per minute motor, delivering silky drinks in under 30 seconds. Tested for real-world comfort, it's perfect for busy mornings, workouts, or even outdoor adventures. What sets it apart from other top 7 contenders is its USB-C rechargeable battery and LED power display. No more guessing if you have enough juice for a shake on the go. Safety is built in too, thanks to the magnetic induction lock that only activates when the cup is properly aligned. Its spill-proof travel lid and easy self-cleaning system add real peace of mind. Compact, powerful, and portable, TOMUOO is a smart choice for anyone craving convenience without compromise. Would this become your daily blend companion? Now moving to the last one is Pakay Small Blender. Ever felt frustrated trying to make a smoothie on the go, only to end up with a chunky mess? The Pakay Small Blender fixes that instantly. Tested for real-world comfort, its 50 watts motor spins 12 stainless steel blades at 21,000 revolutions per minute, crushing ice and frozen fruits into smooth, drinkable perfection in under a minute. What sets it apart from other blenders in our top 7 lineup is portability. With a 500 ml BPA-free cup and USB-C rechargeable battery, you can blend anywhere, office, gym, or travel. Safety is prioritized with magnetic sensing and double protection switches, giving you peace of mind with every use. Sure, it's less powerful than Ninja Blendboss or Consciot, but for single-serve smoothies and shakes on the go, it's a smart, convenient, and reliable choice. Could this be your daily travel blender companion? After testing all 7 contenders for real-world performance, reliability, convenience, and everyday smoothie power, the Consciot 11-piece blender stands out as the winner. Its 900-watt high-torque motor and smart blade design crush frozen fruit and ice more consistently than most. Thoughtful safety features, versatile cup sizes, and dishwasher-safe parts make it both powerful and practical. If you want smooth results, lasting durability, and peace of mind every day, this is the one worth going for. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best personal blender for smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.